Today's missions require faster, evidence-based decisions across complex operational environments. Document intelligence can address this gap, but only if it can be deployed securely, trusted operationally, and sustained over time. This demo showcases a document intelligence application built using a Retrieval Augmented Generation system, developed, deployed, and optimized within Domino. Before we dive in, let's talk about why document intelligence is possible now. 3 factors have converged. First, the availability of scalable compute resources. Second, major algorithm advancements in language models. And third, the prevalence of digitized data across government operations. However, these language models have limitations, particularly around context length. They can't process entire document repositories at once. This is where frameworks like Retrieval Augmented Generation, or RAG, become essential. RAG allows us to work around these limitations by intelligently retrieving only the most relevant information and feeding it to the model. RAG consists of 2 core components, the retrieval component and the generation component, which produces responses based on that retrieved information. Think of it as an automated research assistant with access to your document repository. It finds relevant information, synthesizes it clearly, and provides source citations. It's worth noting that RAG comes in many flavors, and Domino supports multiple approaches, incorporating knowledge graphs through GraphRag, connecting structured data through MCP servers, and even agentic RAG that uses tool calling, query decomposition, and self-correction to dynamically gather and synthesize information. What I'm showing you today is a foundational implementation, but the platform enables more sophisticated architectures as your needs evolve. Here's an interface we've built to demonstrate document intelligence capabilities. We'll cover 2 distinct parts. First, the technical backend, the setup and configuration work that data science and engineering teams handle. And second, the end-user experience that analysts and decision-makers interact with. We'll walk through both to show how configuration changes impact result quality. Let's start with the user experience. This application allows users to upload documents and receive citation-backed answers from the resulting collection. Within Domino, administrators can audit file uploads and access, or restrict users to pre-approved data sources only. For this demo, I'll upload various government reports on IT modernization and cybersecurity. In a production environment, data would be preloaded and could include unstructured documents like PDFs, semi-structured documents like spreadsheets, and structured data pulled directly from databases, all queryable through a single interface. Now let's look at what's happening behind the scenes. The application executes several data preparation steps, extracting text and visual elements like charts and tables, chunking the content by dividing documents into overlapping segments that preserve context, and generating embeddings from the processed content. Multiple chunking strategies and embedding models are available, and we haven't even reached the retrieval stage yet. Additional configuration decisions include which language model to use, retrieval parameters, and whether to implement re-ranking. In classified environments with mission-specific document types, one-size-fits-all solutions don't work. You need the flexibility to optimize for your data, your security requirements, and your operational tempo. These design choices are why out-of-the-box solutions often fall short. There's no universal configuration that works across all use cases. This is where a platform approach becomes valuable. Looking at our system architecture, you'll see distinct workflows that handle both the technical backend and support the user experience. Initial system configuration, production deployment, and continuous improvement. Note that the orange boxes represent specific Domino technologies. Our first workflow handles initial system configuration. We prepare data, apply chunking, generate embeddings, and automatically evaluate a set of test prompts to measure accuracy. We then run a search across parameter combinations to quantify their impact on known outcomes. This is provided as a Domino template that captures results in the platform's experiment tracking. This systematic approach identifies optimal starting parameters before deployment. Once configured, we move into the production deployment pipeline and operate the system as an agent through Domino's AI Gateway. The gateway provides administrators with an audited endpoint that standardizes outputs and requires only a single initial setup. This architecture is deployment flexible. It works in the cloud, on-premise, and in air-gapped environments with the same governance and audit capabilities. When a query arrives, it's first filtered through configurable guardrails then processed by the RAG system. This template demonstrates 3 approaches: pattern matching to identify structured data, few-shot learning, where we provide a small language model with examples to recognize entities, and a toxicity detection model to filter inappropriate content. These guardrails can be applied to incoming queries, preventing sensitive data from reaching an external LLM, or to outgoing responses to ensure outputs meet policy requirements. After the guardrails, the application routes the enriched prompt to either a Domino-hosted language model, which we can fine-tune based on usage patterns, or external models like GPT or Claude. Standardized interfaces make it straightforward to compare different models and optimize that selection over time. This architecture also captures all interactions for subsequent analysis, as shown in this usage report. Let's query the system about federal information security programs. The RAG system retrieves relevant passages, generates a response, and provides source citations. This provenance is critical for commander trust. Without it, document intelligence remains a proof of concept rather than an operational capability. I'll mark this result as accurate. Our third workflow enables continuous improvement through user feedback. As interactions accumulate, say every 1,000 queries, a scheduled job automatically triggers a model fine-tuning pipeline. This continuous improvement loop addresses the sustainment challenge. Without automated feedback and retraining, systems drift and lose accuracy over time, eroding operational advantage. This feedback mechanism makes the system smarter over time as it's used, learning from actual operational queries and continuously improving its ability to find and synthesize relevant information. Before deployment, governance policies verify that updated models meet accuracy thresholds. These governance checkpoints create an audit trail for every model version and ensure that every deployment decision is tracked and traceable. Teams can then approve and deploy new model versions through Domino's MLOps capabilities, which route traffic through the AI gateway, completing the feedback loop. This integrated approach means the entire lifecycle: data management, infrastructure provisioning, model training, validation, deployment, and monitoring operates within a single governed environment. This reduces integration overhead and provides unified audit trails across the system. This complete lifecycle represents the work that separates a prototype from a production system. While the end-user experience is straightforward, the back-end infrastructure ensures security, accuracy, and sustainability. Domino can help with the initial setup, enable your teams with the right tools and workflows, and manage day 2 operations for solutions like this. If you'd like to explore more, contact us at domino.ai.